In this tutorial, we will cover nested functions in Excel. Please open File O2 Nested Functions. When you insert a function as one of the arguments within another functions in Excel, it's called nesting functions. For example, you can nest an average function within an if function if you want to base the logical test on a calculated average. The syntax for nested functions will vary greatly as the combination of functions is nearly limitless. Here, we'll build a nested function so we can see what it looks like. Insert a nested function. Go and click on cell E2 if necessary, and you'll see this has the formula we built in our last lesson, if function. Up on the formula bar, you'll see our selected information. Now we can choose and change what we're calculating and listing with our function. If you would, go and select the 2000 on our cell. With the 2000 selected, we're going to replace the 2000 with another formula. Now, when you're inserting your different formulas, there are a variety of functions you can nest, but commonly nested functions include if, and, or, not, average, and sum. If it's complex, you might want to open up the Insert Function dialog box by clicking on our FX or on the FX under Insert Function on your formula ribbon in the function library. With the 2000 selected, let's change this so it's an average of all of the order totals. Type in average. You'll see a pop-open window of different functions that match what you're looking for. You can see average on there. You can either double click on average or simply open up your parenthesis. Go and select cell D2 down to D10 and then close your parenthesis. You can either hit enter or click on your check mark on the formula bar, which also will enter but keep the same cell selected for us to work with. As you can see, the result will still be no, but now rather than just using 2000, it's doing an average of cells D2 to D10 and then returning that to evaluate in our logical test. You can nest up to 64 functions within a formula. Go and click, put your pointer in the lower right hand corner of cell E2, and if you would, click and drag that down to E10 to set up the formula for the rest of the rows.